Good morning. We're here now in BGC.
As a morning person.
As a morning person. Not for work this time and not for meetings.
But for health and wellness.
we will try to jog. Or run. Pwede rin walk.
Ay, masyadong maaga for ano. 50% walk, 50% run. Okay.
This is clean. Hola, mate.
Hola. Hola. Hola, amiga.
Amiga. Afternoon time. Grabe yung kakaiba yung BGC ng ganito, ma.
Diba? Pero init pa din.
The humidity.
Head south on 9th Avenue toward 11th Drive.
Yeah.
This is us after 1 kilometer. Ganun na.
So, hindi pa yan nagsastart mag-run. Pagod na.
Pagod na ma-further. Napakalayo naman pala nito.
Hindi pa siya.
Wala kang stretching to.
Ito na yun.
Ito na pala yun.
Matindi na yung warm-up mo yun. Ay, naku.
May konting ano tayo pa ba?
Go na, magsimula ka na. Wala pa. Magsimula ka na, mahabol naman.
Kaya nga. Sorry. Wait lang. Ang straba muna.
Warm-up muna tayo.
Ay, nakaka-start na yung ano ko.
Start mo lang.
Kaya
Ay,
nga.
ako mag-warm-up muna.
Saka pag ikalap.
Hindi lang naman tumak. Ah, maganda ngayon. Hindi lang naman.
Yeah. Ang tanong.
Morning jog run. Morning run. Done. Hydrate, guys. Take a break. Drink your water. What's up, mate?
Buhay ka ba?
I'll walk beside you.
Mahirap pag-gabit ko sa mama. Ito yung bahit kayo na pinakamabilis ko na tao.
Good job. Look at that flush.
Ang nangingitim yung noo.
Morning flush. Let's go. Let's walk back.
Mga haggard.
2 more kilometers para pawakot mama. I-stop mo na yung ano mo. Straight ba? Oops, sorry. Good job, mate! Iba-iba yung mural na yan, diba?
Yan lang.
Ah,
Pero sa ibang sides, meron pa.
whoa. This is the other side of the city. Slow days. Hey guys, we're currently here in Auro Coffee. Paka-arte! Curly hair tayo for today. Hey Cole, how are you? Ay, ang fresh! Parang hindi ka
fresh pa.
Parang
Nakaligo sa office yung
kaya nga.
Thanks,
Bakit gano'n ang
JP
atake? Bakit? Ay, very nice ang
fresh.
atake natin
Paaraw
dito.
natin here.
So,
kapag selfie
outdoor to. Outdoor breakfast kami for today. So, yun lang.
Ayun na nga, tapos pagka kompleto na lang yung order. I think kaya.
So, we're having our pan de queso and also our cauliflower soup. And our cappuccino. Hey, wait.
Kailan na lang? Feeling.
Cafe.
Okay.
That's our food. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. Guys, this one, pan de queso. Super yum. Super yummy.
Is it giving?
Super perfect. How super perfect? Super yummy. Order this. So this is our first time here in Auro Coffee. Ang sarap ng food nila. Perfect.
Super. There you go,
Wow,
mother.
thank you so much.
Ang tamis.
Ang fail! Ang fail!
Matamis. Sa'yo na lang. Paano na yan?
The reaction video. Feeling ko ayaw mo nang
Hindi, okay lang. Masarap. Actually, habang tumatagal, mas hindi siya matamis na sa akin.
Okay, so we will try ano to? Egg Florentine?
Yeah. Salmon.
Salmon egg Florentine.
Yes.
So let's taste it. Very mahirap naman na nasa isang plate tayo, mother.
Hindi ko din naisip. Pero, gusto ko yung mag-drip siya.
I think kailangan ko siya ilagay na lang dito. Feeling ko hindi naman ito madumi.
Ay, nahirapan ka?
Yeah.
Okay.
Para ikaw na dyan sa
Hindi na, okay lang. Hindi naman sa
Ikaw na yung kreme.
Akala ko na siya ang ganyan. I'm good.
Me, I cannot.
Okay.
Dahil kailangan ko ng malapitang
Subuan.
OMG!
Pa-bleep. Please, pa-bleep.
Malapitang subuan. Right. Okay. There you go, there you go. Oh. As a messing
Kailangan
kumain.
perfect bite yung first bite. May salmon.
Lahat.
Yeah.
It's dripping.
Ay!
Very green naman tong vlog natin. Ano ba to?
Ano na lang. Paki-bleep. Very...
Puro kababuyan. Alam mo, pag nag-Boracay, pag kung matutuloy man tayo, hayop
Ay,
na
dapat matuloy.
Ang mahal kasi ng mga flights. How was it? Kami, okay lang ako, pero nawasak na yun.
Sarap.
You liked it?
I like na meron siyang parang... Happy ko sa'yo. I like na meron siyang ano.
You saw it. Napakakalat.
Hindi lang alam, lapit ko na ito ng contact. Midway ka naman sa akin. Thank you very much.
It's okay. It's okay, even if may second bite, tumapon siya.
Gusto ko yung may pa-spinach siya.
For sure.
No?
Kaloob, no? I'm expecting arugula.
Ano ko ba yan? Hindi ko alam. Basta
I mean, usually, ang kasama niya is arugula.
Ay, ang sarap. Ang salad. Ang vinaigrette nila.
Yummy. I will just clean this first. Hindi nakaka-aesthetic.
If you like this type of video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And see you on my next one. Always remember, life is precious. See ya!